got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it?
So like, we've been invited to take the mini Jeep that we've spent the last 2 years building along to the Scottish Festival of Motoring in Edinburgh. The show's tomorrow, but we need to get the Jeep along today, get it loaded up into the trailer and get it along to the show so that it's ready for tomorrow for viewing. Do you think they'll allow us to fire the machine gun?
Yeah, definitely.
Let's go and find out.
Gonna be, do you believe?
What other cars do you think will be there?
I think there'll be a McLaren there. I'm fairly sure there'll be at least one McLaren.
Yeah.
Maybe some Porsches. Could be a Ferrari. Reckon there'll be Bentleys. Maybe a Rolls Royce.
I mean, it's kind of old school, but yeah, I guess.
Nearly there, mate. I think it's this next roundabout down here.
We're in control.
So Smith's Festival of Motoring. The window, not the door.
I know, I should not.
Hi, we don't have electric windows.
You're alright.
We're for the motor show.
Yeah, do you know where you're going?
I don't, I've no idea.
Not a problem. So there's an open door right at the very top of that hall.
Oh, I can see it.
That's where the organisers are. So if you go there, they'll show you where
Pop
you're
in. Alright, that's perfect. Thanks a
No
lot.
more than me anyway.
Yeah.
Cheers.
See ya. Dude, there's like a massive fancy car.
How you doing, alright? We're in the yellow zone, indoors.
That's it, right, no problem.
Whereabouts do I go?
In that door.
Straight in that door.
Straight in that
Somebody
door.
will guide me.
Boys will sort you out, get exactly where to go.
Superb.
No problem.
Thanks a lot.
Just go have you guys, yeah?
Alright.
Oh,
Look
this
at
is
this.
epic! Is that a Mustang? Wow, that's so cool. But it is just so cool. Man. Are you gonna say to the camera?
Well, hopefully I can reverse this off without dropping it.
You were supposed to say so cool, but that's.
Pretty cool, eh?
I'd love to go on a
That's
road
from
trip.
my era.
I'd love to go on a road trip. That's what we do.
Beautiful wheels.
I just had them made.
Well, made. Wow, are the actual split rims, aye? Wow, it's crackers. Certainly fill the arches.
Aye. That's not.
Is it pneumatic?
It's static.
Is it lift?
No, it's static.
No speed bumps, your feet.
No.
What are they, 20s?
20s, aye. 11, 10s and 11 and a halves.
That's so
Centre race nut on them, I know.
I got the, they're actually, I've got a black cap for them, but I got them made in Poland.
Every car
For me,
here is
so
technically just shiny.
Cracking, yeah. You like that? Beautiful, isn't it?
so many cool things to
Oh, there's got to be some rubbish there, isn't there?
further you got to
Yeah.
drive.
So this is, but because I knew I was going to be keeping the car, I wasn't just wanting to cut corners. I thought, well, might as well get it right, because I'll just be the one that has to redo it. So it took 5 years in the end.
It's amazing how much you can pour into these things, isn't it? It's certainly a beauty. Take one, what one would it be? Is that just because that's one? You used to be able to pick up with the 355 and 360, you used to be able to get them cheap. 360. That's the one of the MR2 kit cars. What do you think that's worth? Much? Couple hundred? 250?